Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how the PerPay credit card works and why it's being used by more people to build credit while shopping. So, the PerPay credit card is tailored for users with little to no credit history. There's no hard inquiry during sign up, and it's tied to your paycheck. When you shop from the PerPay marketplace, payments are made in small installments, directly deducted from your paycheck. These payments are reported to all major credit bureaus, which helps boost your credit score over time. PerPay also offers a PerPay Plus upgrade, which lets you use a virtual credit card outside their marketplace, adding more flexibility while still helping your credit. And there are no late fees or interest if you stick to the schedule and no hidden charges. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.